Did you know Samsung's AI handles over 3 trillion interactions every single day? That's the insane brainpower driving One UI 8.10 update, so advanced, it makes your phone feel supercharged. With a dynamic lock screen and let's start with that bold new look. One UI 8 introduces a lock screen that evolves with your day. Thanks to the adaptive clock, the design shifts based on notifications and time. Bold and energetic by day, Samsung poured over 15,000 hours into the quick panel redesign. The result? A sleek interface with translucent edges that feel premium. It's like your phone's rocking a designer outfit. Every swipe feels faster, cleaner, and smoother. Your Galaxy just gotta glow up. Now here's the jaw-dropper. The Gallery app now flexes Galaxy AI's full potential. Snap a photo and transform it into a pro portrait with AI-generated edits. Samsung trained it on over 200 million photos. No wonder it nails the details. Foldable phone fans, listen up. One UI 8 brings new tricks to large screens. Zoom Sync lets you compare original and edited images side by side. Plus, the audio eraser is now built into voice recorder. Calling just hit the future. New live captions transcribe conversations in real time. Real-time text RTT lets you type live during calls. And foldables like the Z Fold 7 even let you split the call screen and multitask like a pro. Z Fold 7 users also get a new level of control. Pop-up AI windows can now be dragged and resized freely across the display. The new 90/10 split screen mode lets one app dominate while another chills in the corner, a serious power move for productivity. The upgraded taskbar adapts like a digital chameleon. It floats, stays pinned, and features fine-tuned animations. With over a dozen customization settings, it's built to be exactly what you want. Samsung's Foldable Lab took your feedback and turned it into a software playground. Customization hits beast mode in One UI 8. The Home Up module gives you complete control. Speed up animations by 185% or slow things down for cinematic flair. New blur effects make transitions dreamy. You can even hide home screen dots for a cleaner vibe. Haptic feedback just got cooler. One UI 8 adds a gesture vibration toggle so every swipe and tap feels tactile. Foldable taskbars get sensitivity settings. And it all adds up to something that feels ultra-personalized, like a phone painted in your style. The Now Brief feature steps in as your AI-powered assistant. It reads out weather, calendar reminders, or YouTube pics. With 700,000 briefs served daily, it's growing fast. Plus, it now syncs with health goals like calories or friend challenges in Samsung Health. Performance-wise, this build is a beast. Even the beta version on the S3 Fest scores 1.3-5 single-core and 3,610 multi-core on Geekbench. Battery life, stellar. Samsung tested it on 15 million devices to make sure bugs are squashed and endurance is locked. Rollout starts July 25th. 2.0 to 5S to 5 series gets it first. Mid-range models like a 55 will see it in Q4. Samsung's 7-year update promise means even older devices stay fresh. So what's your favorite One UI 8 feature? Drop it in the comments.